you know, right now in Utah, law enforcement doesn't have to have a warrant to use facial recognition. So if a law enforcement officer wants to use facial recognition, they get their supervisor's signature, and then they go to the Department of Public Safety, and that department actually does the facial rec match. So if you have a picture of somebody, a suspect for something, they'll run it through their database to tell you who that person is. What I want to do with that is separate the difference between, when it comes to real-time surveillance, what I call positive and negative surveillance. So in a negative surveillance, that would be somebody has, if they're looking for me, somebody has a picture of me, and there's cameras out here, and they look at you, no, yes, that's the person you're looking for. In positive, it says, oh, this person here, this is Jason, this is Igor, this is Uriah. It tells you exactly who that person is. Those are two different types of technologies. And with the proliferation of AI, that second type, that positive, is going to get a whole lot easier.
A lot easier.
Because all it takes is somebody uploading all of our driver's license pictures to this program, and it's just constant. Every camera looking at everybody all the time, telling you exactly who they are, where they're going. It can see your eyes. It can determine who you are by your walking pattern, you know, your stride length, how much you swing your arms.
That's
it can tell your
crazy.
height, your weight, your hair color, all those things. Same thing with the license plate reader. Supposedly it's just your license plate, right? But it can tell what your car type is, what year it is, the color, dents, dings, where your tires are a little low, how much wear you have on your tires, and it can identify all that stuff through that license plate.
Too much information.
And Flock is so pervasive around the country. They cover, I want to say, over 65% of the entire population of the country. And they essentially almost give their cameras away because they make their money off of their database, the subscriptions. It's the data that's important.
Yeah.
You know, and so for them, that's where it's work. Representative Chevrier has a great bill for LPRs to clean up the language that we helped put in place a few years ago, where it limited where law enforcement could actually use those. It limited to like missing persons, so like an Amber Alert, Silver Alert, active investigations, stolen vehicles.